Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we had started with the lesson The Dreadful Guest, and I told you Ivan was a very young prince who fought against dragon. Okay, now whether he fought or not, that we are going to study further in the lesson. Yesterday we studied that king of Russia and his friends, or the kings of other kingdoms, they were sitting together in a banquet hall and they were laughing, talking with each other, and at that time only a horrible looking dragon comes over there. He flies over there, and when he comes on the table of the banquet hall, he looks so furious monster. Okay, he looks so furious animal who comes on the table and he slides on the table, and his eyes are red, his teeth are like spikes, his claws are like knives. And it is told that that animal looked very horrible, and everyone was very afraid of that dragon. And as soon as servants of the kingdom brought food to serve, they were going to put platters. Okay, they were going to large plates used for serving. There was a platter, and with that platters they were going to come and serve all kings and queens. But at that time only this dragon started eating that food. He started gobbling. Gobbling means what? गिळायला लागला तो. And then Ivan said him. Now the other all kings and queens were frightened of dragon, but Ivan was not afraid. He said, "Do you have or not manners? The way you have come in a banquet hall is also not proper, and now also how you are eating the food. You can eat food with some manners. Some good manners are required or not." But dragon says, "Who are you to tell me? I will eat whatever I want to eat, however I want to eat. You do one thing." He gives challenge to Ivan that come and fight with me. Okay, what he gives? He gives challenge to Ivan that you come in a courtyard and fight with me. And what Ivan gives him reply, that we are going to study on new page. Take out your page number 64. Okay, take out your page number 64. But Ivan was not afraid. King told him, King of Russia said him, "Ivan, you are so small, you are very young. You're not able to fight with such a big monster. He looks like a tree and he is broad as a house. And how you will fight with this much big monster?" But Ivan said, "No, I am not afraid of him." What Ivan thinks? He knew that dragons were dreadful but not intelligent. He was knowing that they are very dreadful. Dreadful means what? What is meaning of dreadful? Dreadful means causing fear or suffering. Yesterday I told you, dreadful means what? Causing fear. त्यांची भीती वाटते आपल्याला बघितल्यानंतर, पण ते इंटेलिजंट नसतात. causing fear. They are causing fear, but they are not intelligent. Who said this? Ivan said. He knew that dragons were dreadful but not intelligent. He was sure he could find a way of killing the dragon. He was thinking something in his mind. He was using his intelligence. Somehow I will kill this dragon, but what tricks should I use for him to kill? Okay. Everyone walked out to the palace courtyard. The dragon and the brave warrior faced each other. The dragon smiled a very mean and wicked smile. Now, how shall I kill you, you silly fool? He asked Ivan. Shall I burn you to death? Shall I smother you with fumes? Or, better still, shall I tear you up with my knife claws? Or shall I eat you up with my spiked teeth? In the meanwhile, however, the clever Ivan had thought of the way of tricking the wicked creature. He folded his arms on his chest and said in a clever voice, "Now look here, dragon. When you dare me to fight you, I agreed readily. I thought it would be a fight between just two of us." Then he pointed behind the dragon. "Why have you brought a whole army to help you fight?" The dragon was as stupid as Ivan thought him to be. He turned his head to see what Ivan was pointing at. Quick as a flash of lightning, Ivan drew his sword and cut off the dragon's head. "There," he said, We won't have to put up with this dreadful guest ever again. Now what happened? When dragon said Ivan that you come in a courtyard, I want to fight with you. Ivan said okay. But Ivan was very intelligent. What he said? Why have you come with so much big army? ड्रॅगनला काय म्हटला, तू एकटा का नाही आला फाईट करायला, आपलं काय ठरलं होतं आपण दोघं जणच फाईट करणार आहे, पण तू काय केलं, तू तर सगळे घेऊन आला तुझे फ्रेंड्स, और you have brought big army to fight with me. See behind you how much big army is there. And as soon as dragon turns his face, what happens? Ivan removes sword and cut the head of dragon into two pieces. Head is one side and remaining body part is on another side, because Ivan was knowing dragon is stupid animal, he cannot use his intelligence. Otherwise, if he was intelligent, what he would have said? No, I know, I have come alone, there is no one to help me. I have come alone and alone only I am going to fight with you. This should be the answer of dragon, but what dragon did? He did a mistake. He turned back, and at that time only the advantage was taken by Ivan of removing sword from his robe and killing the dragon. And Ivan said that such type of dragon we will not see again in the palace. We will not see such type of dragon in the palace. Who said this? Ivan said this. Okay. In this way we have completed this lesson. I think you have understood the dreadful guest. Now here in exercise, first question is given. Find the meaning of the following words and phrases. Question number 1. Find the meaning of words and phrases. First one. First word is what? Spoil spot. S-P-O-I-L, spoil, S-P-O-R-T, spot. Spoil spot meaning is what? The meaning of word is a person who stops other people, a person who stops other people from enjoying themselves. From enjoying themselves. Okay, this is first meaning. Second word which is given in the book, or you can say in the exercise, is impolite. What is meaning of impolite? Impolite means rude. R-U-D-E, rude. Third one, platters. Platters means large plates used for serving food. Fourth one, gobbling up. Meaning of word gobbling up. Meaning of this word is what? Gobbling up? Eating food very fast. Eating food very fast. And fifth one, word which is given there is sprang. The meaning of word sprang is moved quickly and suddenly. Moved quickly and suddenly. Moved quickly and suddenly is the meaning of word sprang. Understood? In this way we have completed first question of exercise. Is it clear to you all? After that, second number question is answer the following questions. That question we will complete next week. Okay. Second, third, fourth. If it is possible, I will send you this on WhatsApp group. Okay. And you can complete question answers of that lesson today itself. Okay. Tomorrow Sunday is there. You can complete remaining questions of that lesson tomorrow. Okay. I want to tell you that more how many lessons are left our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More 6 are there. The elf singing. That is next poem. I will give you question answers. I will send you photos on WhatsApp group. You have to complete question answers on WhatsApp group. Now I am just going to explain you lessons and poems. 6 are left. So what you have to do, whatever question answers are sent to you on WhatsApp group, from there you have to complete your homework. Okay. Thank you.